In this video, I'll be showing you how to create videos like this. I'll be giving you the prompts from the topic generation to the visuals to the video generation down to the thumbnail and editing of the video. I'll be showing you step by step how videos like this are being made. These are videos that show how things are made, the process of making some products or commodities. There are so many channels doing such videos and most of them are monetized. You can see this one has 69 videos, they are monetized. This one has 42 videos, they are monetized. This one has 78 videos, they are monetized. This one has 14 videos and it is monetized already. So I'll be showing you how to create videos like this step by step. So the first thing you need to do is you go to your ChatGPT, sign in or log in, and open your chat box. Then you use my prompt. So the first prompt here is to get title. Alright, so you're going to copy the prompt here, and once you copy it, you come to ChatGPT and you paste it. Here you're going to enter your topic, what you want to produce. So let us say cooking oil. Alright, and I'll click enter. So you can see different titles here. At this point, you're going to select one of it. But before you proceed, you come to this and get your prompt for your scripting. Okay, here where you see 40 to 50 minutes video, you can change it to the number of scenes you want. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this prompt, come over to your ChatGPT, you paste it, then you select one of the topics or title that you have and you enter it here. Then you click enter. So while it's generating, you come back to the prompt library. Here you're going to select the video prompt, you copy it. Remember, these are your scripts. Then you come down here, you paste it, and you need to replace your script. You copy your entire script and you paste it here. Then you click enter. So we have 32 prompts here. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your thumbnail. So you copy this prompt for your thumbnail, come back to ChatGPT, you paste it, then you copy your title. This is my title. You copy it, you come down to the prompt and you enter your title here. So this will give you prompts to generate thumbnail for your video. Then lastly, this is the prompt for your SEO, your hashtag, your description. Alright, so we are going to copy it. You come over to ChatGPT, you paste it, and you get your title as well, and you paste it there. You click enter. If you want to have a worker introducing the process, you can use this prompt. If you want to have another worker closing the video once everything is done, you can as well use this prompt. So here we have our prompt for our SEO. We have prompt for the thumbnail, and we have our prompts for the video. So the first thing we're going to do, we need to get our videos ready, and we're going to use Google Flow. So to do that, come over to labs.google.fx, you click on launch flow and you click on new project. So once it is open, you come over to your prompts, you copy your prompts one by one and you generate. You come over here, paste it, select text to video, select fast, output, I normally keep it at 1, landscape, okay, then you click on generate. So you do the same for all the prompts. You come over, you copy, you paste it, and you generate. So this is what you're going to do until you have generated all the videos. We have 32. If you want more videos, you can change it and ask it to give you more videos while entering the prompt. Before you use the prompt, try and read the prompt and understand where you can add your input. Alright, let's wait for it to load. So while your videos are loading, you can generate the thumbnail for your video. You come over to labs.google.fx. You can use Whisk or you can use ImageFX. So we're going to be trying the two of them at the same time. Anyone you like the output, you use it. So you come down to your prompt and you look for your thumbnail prompt. So this is our thumbnail prompt. We have about 4 different thumbnail prompts here. So you copy it. I'll copy the first one and I'll come to ImageFX. You paste it, okay? You paste it, come over to your settings, make sure it is on landscape. Then come back, click on generate. Let's try Whisk and see what Whisk will give to us. So here on Whisk, you paste it as well, you paste your prompt and you click on generate. So this is the visual Whisk gave to us, and this is the thumbnail Google ImageFX gave to us using this first prompt. So you can try out other prompts, and whichever one you prefer, you download it. Let's say I want to download this one. So now we have our thumbnail ready. We go back to our flow. This is our flow. Now you download all the videos. So I will download them one by one. For tutorial purposes, I generated few. So in your own case, you have to generate all the videos, and once you generate them, you download them. So once you are done downloading all the videos and you have your thumbnail downloaded, you open your video editing tool. In my case, I'm using CapCut. You create new project. Once you open your CapCut, you import your videos. You bring in your videos and you arrange it properly to the end. Alright, once you are done arranging it, you rename your video file. It's important to understand that this method works both on your phone and on your computer. In this kind of video, you don't need too much editing. Just compile the clips together, and once you are done, you click on export. You export your video, you upload it to your channel, you add your thumbnail, you use the keywords and the hashtag that ChatGPT recommended. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, drop a comment. The link to the prompt is in the description or pinned comment section.